I'm Gina Baron from ITCM. What is the CharTec Operations Summit? So it's really a day and a half of operations. He literally, I think Dan starts it the same way every time. He asks whoever's participating in the class a list of things that they want to go over, which is awesome because the class gets to build the agenda, which is really great because you get everybody's interaction, everybody's feedback, everybody participating, and you really can move forward with similar issues for everybody. It's hard to find time to actually work on the business and work on problems that are happening in the business, and having a day and a half that's dedicated to operational issues and you can focus. And then on top of that, having somebody that is an expert in the industry can really use Dan's knowledge and expertise to get a lot of problems solved quickly. It's always a great experience to meet people, talk to people, similar industries, empathize. I really like to be able to spend time a little bit with a couple of team members. They love it. They love coming up. They love being able to talk to different people and kind of learn the things and hear it from other people of the things that we're trying to implement in the business. So it's really multifaceted why we keep coming back. And of course, we love you guys too.